Hot Wheels Boulevard mix 3 cases here, and we have an interesting mix of cars inside with 2 new castings. The box has suffered a little bit, but I hope everything is good inside without any damage. Let's do the case unboxing first and then check all the cars out. Ford F-150 Lightning is a casting that has mixed opinions on. Some collectors love it, while others hate it. Made its appearance in 2020, designed by Mark Jones. It has 2 versions, this one only in the premiums and another one only for mainlines, made by a different designer. This version is a bit longer and it has more details in the back. It's a high-performance truck of the base version, the Ford F-150, and we have seen it a few times before, as a repeat in the Fast and Furious Premium series. Definitely not a bad casting, it's not lacking details, looking very good, stock paint, nothing special on it. I guess that collectors were expecting something else, or maybe it's not that close to the real-life version. I don't know, I definitely don't hate it, neither love it, just that I'm not a fan of trucks in general. If it works in the Boulevard mixes, you be the judge of that, but I'm sure some collectors are going to add it to their collections. Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock is a cool choice for this set, something different than what we usually get in this segment. One of the old ones from this set, released in 2012, although in 2022, has suffered a retool when it was introduced in the basics. It's the first time in a premium set, and this is a version of the Thunderbird modified for Pro Stock racing, American drag racing to be more specific, featuring factory hot rods. The casting is looking really good, it has those cool rims, probably the best in the set, way better than what the F-150 has on, without any doubt. As much as I enjoy it though, not many Hot Wheels collectors have eyes for it. I don't understand why, cause if you compare it with any other previous releases, no matter it's the basics or the ultra hot ones, this one is way more interesting. I might not say much about the details, but again, those rims are just splendid. If I would be a customizer, I would definitely use them on different kind of projects. 1955 Plymouth Savoy is the first new casting of the set, and this is definitely a fan favorite with a history behind. As you can see on the card, the Hot Rod Garage logo, which was a TV series, and this Savoy was featured in that show, in this exact color variation, liveries, logos and everything. It's a classic American car, and the Hot Wheels variation is amazing with details on, 2-tone color. Obviously the top was meant to depict rust, and again those amazing wheels in the front, just like the previous casting, and both are featured in drag racing competitions. In the show, it was Alex Taylor that modified and raced this version of the Savoy, but I guess it's better if you watch that episode. Seeing it in my hands, I understand why collectors were so excited about this casting. It does have a special feeling to it, and I bet it's even stronger for American collectors. It has been designed by Brendan Vetosky, and we definitely know him from Lamley videos, where he always gave us sneak peeks about future Hot Wheels releases. Still not sure which of the castings so far steal the show for you, but this is a highlight for sure, and it's not going to last on the pegs in the stores. Honda Civic Type R is the second new casting of the set, and one that's going to be hard to find no matter what stores you go to, Walmart, Asda, Teddy or any other of your local stores. Type R is a high-performance model of the Honda Civic, receiving, among other changes, a lighter body, tuned engine, upgraded brakes and chassis. To be able to be distinguished, the badge has a red background added, although I doubt it was needed, as it's very obvious which model is a Type R when you see it on the roads. Other JDM cars that receive the Type R treatment are the Honda NSX and Integra. The Hot Wheels version is the 2024 Civic Type R with Spoon sports parts, deco and liveries on the body. It's looking amazing with the 2-tone colors, logos, black wheels and that huge spoiler in the back. I have only seen positive reviews and comments of this Civic. It's going to be part of many Hot Wheels collections. It was designed by Ronald Wang, and if he managed to treat us with such a cool variation as the first release, I am excited to see the next ones. The Honda Civic is such a popular model, and the Type R model with spoon liveries, oh man, it's going to rock for sure.
I dare anyone to give us one reason why this is not a great casting, one reason only, but I am sure none of you have one. Porsche 964 is the last casting of the set, and we close the Boulevard mix with a German car, one that has so many fans for sure. Released in 2016, designed by Mark Jones, this one is another killer piece, one that is going to rock our collections, although probably not its best variation, that might go to the Mexico convention piece from last year. It's looking great, stock aqua color, Porsche logo on the side, it has all the expected details, and I personally enjoyed the white rims as well. Part of only premium series so far, so not that easy to get, especially the convention piece or the first car culture release. I promised this is going to be an interesting set, and I say it is. I see no peg warmers, so be on the lookout at your local stores, and good luck grabbing a set, they might all worth your time and money. If not, just grab what you like and enjoy them the way you want. If you don't like this set, maybe you can find your favorite by watching other case unboxing videos right here on YouTube, and you can do that by clicking on any of these videos. Subscribe for more content like this in the future, have fun collecting, and have a great day ahead.